Long locks have been a mark of beauty and youthfulness since old times. It increases your confidence and makes you feel good about yourself. But hair fall, hair thinning, and receding hairline is becoming a common problem. One of the major contributing factors to this problem is pollution. The external environment is so harsh that no matter how much you care, damage to your hair becomes inevitable. Today, we are going to tell you about a very simple but extremely effective remedy to prevent hair fall. Onion juice has been used since old times for treating hair loss. It may sound like a folk remedy, but it is actually backed by science. Onion has a high amount of sulfur, which is an essential part of amino acids, which are building blocks of proteins that are required for keratin formation and hair growth. When onion juice is applied to the scalp, it acts as a sulfur supplement that prevents hair fall and promotes new hair growth. Sulfur in onion juice also promotes collagen production, which improves the scalp's health and prevents hair fall. Applying onion juice on hair also improves circulation and increases the blood supply, resulting in favorable conditions for new hair growth. Onion juice also has antioxidants that prevent premature graying, and its antibacterial properties keep your scalp free from diseases. Here's how to use onion juice for maximum benefits. You will need 1 medium-sized onion, pure coconut oil, essential oil of your choice. Blend the onion and take out the juice using muslin cloth or strainer. Warm up the coconut oil so that it's in liquid form. Take a bowl and mix an equal amount of coconut oil and onion juice in it. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and mix well. Apply this mixture on your scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Make sure to cover the whole scalp and leave it there for 30 minutes. You can put a shower cap if you want. Wash with lukewarm water using a mild shampoo. Use it once or twice a week for at least 4 weeks. You can continue using it for a longer duration if you want. Why add coconut oil? Coconut oil has an excellent antibacterial and antifungal property, which makes it the best carrier oil for this remedy. It decreases the evaporation and improves the absorption of onion juice into your scalp, which causes deeper penetration and better result. Coconut oil and onion juice have an excellent synergistic effect, but most people don't know about it. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out a new video.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.